Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing true HDR clips, 10-bit or phone HDR captures, and create a matching project. Set the aspect ratio and frame rate to match your source. Do not let Capcut auto-convert color. Once imported, check clip metadata and disable any automatic tone mapping so you retain highlight detail. This ensures you work on the native dynamic range. Make sure clips are labeled, then place them on the timeline. You're ready to apply HDR color workflow rather than normal SDR fixes. Now you color grade with HDR in mind. Start by adjusting exposure, shadows, and highlights to recover detail without clipping. Once done, add contrast and modest saturation. HDR benefits from restraint because small increases look stronger. Use curves or an HDR-capable LUT. Make subtle S-curve changes to midtones. Also, monitor using Capcut scopes or waveform if available to keep luminance under safe thresholds. If you need localized fixes, use masks or selective color tools to protect. Finish by exporting with HDR settings. Choose HEVC-H, 265, 10-bit, and preserve the correct color space so compatible players see HDR. Once exported, test on an HDR-capable screen and also check an SDR conversion to ensure legibility. If highlights clip or blacks crush, reduce peak luminance or add a gentle highlight roll-off. If color shifts appear, reconfirm project and export color space match. If playback looks washed on some devices, provide an SDR proxy export or add metadata flags for compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.